A day in my life as a work-from-home mom, solo parent edition. Good day everyone, another hunat of work today, and syempre, let's not forget to take a coffee to accompany us for the whole 8 hours of my shift. After nito rarakit ako and I have an event to attend to, so after my shift, I will take a nap for 4 hours and then pagising ko mag-ready na ako papunta sa event. I had to manage my time accordingly kapag may event akong dadaluhan, pero I make sure naman na hindi sunod-sunod at nakakapagpahinga ako in between. Kaya buti na lang, mga 2 PM pa ang event later kaya may time pa akong mag-nap. After my work ay gumawa lang ako ng breakfast ni Jeff at gusto lang daw niya ng bread at Nutella today. At multitasking tayo habang nagpapakain kay Jeff ay naghugas na rin ako ng mga hugasin para hindi kalat pag alis ko mamaya. I've also scheduled a food delivery sa Grab at 12 noon for Jeff's lunch kasi I will not have time to cook na and prepare for our lunch. I just took a nap for 4 hours and when I woke up, nag-shower lang ako and I got ready at timing rin na dumating ang food ni Jeff kaya kumain na siya while I'm getting ready sa kwarto. Sasamahan ako ng sister ko sa event kaya pipick upin ko siya. Here's a quick outfit check today and motif is purple and white, so yan ang outfit ko. Isang tube tuxedo from Zara and the ruffle skirt sa ukay-ukay lang yan at matagal na yan sa akin, buti na lang at nagkasya pa. Pinlansya ko yan pero sa sige og lihok na kumot man. Bahala na yan siya, basta nagmamadali na ako para puntahan ang sis ko. Tamang-tama sa kalagitnaan ng papunta namin sa venue, umulan ng malakas at nag-traffic pa so na-late rin ako ng konti. Pero buti na lang hindi pa nag-start ang program pagdating ko. So this event is a launch of Tonic Bank here in Cebu, which is a digital bank and PDIC insured pa. And as a work-from-home mom na need ng financial freedom, I do not put my eggs in one basket. So sa iba-ibang banks talaga nilalagay ko ang funds ko, and this bank is one of my chosen ones dahil malaki rin ang interest rates nila and they have up to 6% interest sa time deposits. May mga partnered merchants rin sila na pwede kang mag-purchase ng mga appliances and use Tonic Shop installment loan at a very affordable rate. The event was hosted by Eva, who is my fellow SK chairman years ago, and I'm so glad na nagkita kami ulit. At the event, syempre hindi mawawala ang food at agoy kagamay raman ani. Pero prank pa di ay kay appetizer pa na. Then they served sinigang after and parang need ko ng rice nito. And then the main course came next, na very Filipino dish na bangi, pork inasal, lumpia and achara, and at this point, busog na kami ng sister ko. After the presentation, we gathered with my fellow content creators as well and took some pictures, then had our dessert na ube brulee.
Viva Cebu! Viva Tonic Bank!
And we also had a drink na akala namin iced tea pero hagoy, cocktail drink panday ni. After the event, sibat na dayon mi para hindi maabutan ng traffic pero naabutan pa rin kami ng traffic oy kaya nagabian na ng uwi. And Cookie welcomed me kahit wala akong pasalubong, okay na sa kanya na lambing-lambing lang sa mama niya at bigyan siya ng treats after. At dahil pagod na ako magluto, nag-init lang ako ng lasagna na niluto ko yesterday para sa dinner ni Jeff kasi nabusog rin talaga ako sa kinain ko sa event kahit konti lang ang kinain ko doon. I just got unready after and I put back the stuff to its original place para hindi ako ma-stress kung saan ko last nilagay. This is the reality of a work from home mom juggling multiple jobs, pero laban lang talaga kahit walang kalaban kasi marami pang plans sa life. It was a busy day and thank you so much for watching. Bye!